Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see an LP record. And I have some charcoal grey, white, red and orange, and I have a couple of drops of OGX in the white. So I'm going to, I have another, and I'll show you in a sec when I do this, just putting on the grey. I love that dark grey, it's not quite a black, and I have another one under there, so when I tilt this one off, I'm hoping that I might get a second one out of it. Sometimes I do, sometimes I do not. Right, that should be more than enough. So, I'm going to just do this, get it around a little bit. Right, stay there please. Now, I think you should be still lined up, so you are. Now, I'm going to just kiss pour these on a little bit, and now the white with the orange. Just want to do that. Okay, now scratch him out. I just did one before off camera the same way with one underneath, so I've ended up with two, but I did them like this. However, I used cobalt blue, turquoise and white, and ended up with two very pretty ones. So I thought, okay, let's try it again, push your luck, but this time use much warmer colours, so that's what I'm doing. And it's very warm here today. We've got another month before summer and already we're scorching. But we do need some rain, please. I've been saying that now for a couple of years. And the last of the white. Right. And then just do this to get them started. And then I did this with my trusty grey. And then I tilted all the way around. Whoa. Coming along. I'm thinking maybe I used less paint on the others, but not to worry. Prolific paint pourer. This one's going to be very nice. I don't like that bit of mark in there. So it'll start to settle down. Along. I love watching the patterns emerge in these when I do it like this. There's a bit too much there too. So, here's over. Paint is now slowing down, which is rather good because I did have rather a lot on. And so what I want to do is bring it down here a bit more. Which is where it's going very nice. Oh, I like it. So Now the fun part, putting him somewhere for a second or three. Over there you go, and then we'll bring his little mate up and we'll see what this fellow does, which has got, as you can see, all the little bitty jibbly bits on him, it. And I'm just covering the record with this. Oh, it's going to be nice. I'll just take some more down here. And bring it back. It'll start to move, which it is now. Bring those lovely colours down. So pretty, this one. Sometimes I get something like this and then other times it doesn't work, but this time I'm very happy. I just want that red down a bit more there, and then bring it over here. Bring it around a bit. Right, and I'm going to leave that one because that is special. And I'll bring this bloke back up again. Excuse my head. I'm sure you can see it. Ugh, just got the one on my arm. Can you move? Thank you. Right, I'm just going to rinse my indexes off and then I'll bring you down to have a look. Right, and I'm just thinking maybe I should torch them. I can see some air bubbles, so that's what I'm going to do. Only takes a second. And I did see the bubbles pop, pop, popping. And I think I've got them all. Excellent. So down you come, you can have a good look at these. And this was the first one with a little bit of finger painting. And I like doing them with the finger painting before I tilt. And as you can see, it's nice and bright. Lovely lines. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there. This is the second one, which I really like as well. Totally different, but they're nice. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. Thank you very much for watching, and please give this one the thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.